हाय एवरीवन, मेरा नाम विभूति है और मैं 2018 से इंटरप्ले कर रही हूँ। इंटरप्ले एक आर्ट फॉर्म है, एक क्रिएटिव आर्ट फॉर्म है दैट हेल्प्स human beings to really bring out the wisdom of the body and connect with ourselves, connect with playfulness, and it really, helps serious human beings, adults, to become more playful and more creative. And I feel like in today's time, when as a young person, there's so much stress, so much information, so much overload that I'm going through, and there's so much disconnection from my body. My education system didn't teach me how to connect with my body. As an indigenous practice, I haven't known how to sing and dance, like it's forgotten in a modern day living. So, connecting back to those birthright practices of storytelling, of movement, of sounds, of stillness is very, very important in today's time. And interplay as a practice helps people to like really be playful, be creative, release a lot of energy, a lot of extra information that I don't need, and also like really tap into the wisdom of our bodies. Like our bodies have so much wisdom, and often we think the mind to be different and the whole body is below the neck. But I would invite all of us to relook at that narrative that this is my whole body and there's so much wisdom. There's only not just wisdom here in the head. इंटरप्ले में 4 मेजर फॉर्म्स है जो कि हम बोलते हैं। एक स्टोरी टेलिंग है जो हम सब करते हैं, हम सब के अंदर बहुत स्टोरीज़ भरी हुई है। हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स स्टोरीज़ बहुत सारी शेयर करते हैं उनके ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन के साथ, अपने खुद के बच्चों के साथ। मूवमेंट एक अलग द सेकंड फॉर्म है इंटरप्ले का, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट। जस्ट फ्रीली मूविंग अ बॉडीज, लाइक ऑफन a lot of people think like, oh, I'm not a dancer, but I think all of us have the ability to move, like really just move when a music plays, or move when my body says that just move. Sounds, creating sounds out of a body, out of a mouth, is another third form of interplay, and it's such a liberating thing because as children we create a lot of sounds, but जैसे जैसे बड़े होते जाते हैं हमारी sound क्रिएट करने की और क्रिएटिव होने की एबिलिटी बहुत कम होती जाती है. And stillness is the fourth form, like stillness as in to like really stay in my movement, to like really have long pauses in my storytelling. So interplay mein stillness is such a creative way to like really let the body wisdom speak to me. I've sat in circles where people have played and they've had amazing breakthroughs about their relationships with their families, their relationships with the world. I really appreciate how interplay is a very inclusive practice. Like if a participant walks in with wheelchair, the whole process, the whole form of interplay can be adapted to everyone sitting on a chair and doing interplay. So it's really beautiful that it's so inclusive, it's so collective that ways. And yeah, it's been a very life changing practice, and at Youth Alliance we've been using interplay as a tool to like really connect people, connect young people to each other in a very fun way, in a light way, connect bodies, let people really remember that they have so much wisdom that we can evoke. It's helped people to be more creative, more playful. um, yeah.